cleaners, here's a collection you've gotta see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular. HOOVER PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner FH50700. The HOOVER PowerDash Pet Compact is an interesting carpet cleaner that feels like it's in its own unique class. Its basic bare-bones design compact size makes it feel like a bigger, more full-sized spot cleaner that's ideal to whip out and clean out small spots of transport between multiple sites. The small size of the HOOVER PowerDash Pet Compact is its greatest strength, but also its biggest weakness. To keep the machine compact, the water tank is smaller than other models, which meant we had to fill the tank more often than we did with larger models. The machine also has a smaller clean path and power cord. Despite its size, this carpet cleaner still has a very good water extraction rate and removes stains easily, but it might take a few passes. Number 2. BISSELLProHeat 2x Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro Full-Size Carpet Cleaner 1986. The BISSELLProHeat 1986 carpet cleaner is recommended as the best carpet cleaner for those people who have a pet. When dealing with pet stains and hair, many carpet cleaners fail to remove the pet hair and also to remove the pet urine smell. However, the BISSELLProHeat 1986 carpet cleaner is the best model that can remove the stains and the pet hair fully without hogging the brush. Engineered to be our best and most powerful carpet cleaning system for the toughest pet stains and odors, even removes skunk odor. Number 3. Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner Large and Portable Red. The Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner is a mid-range machine that offers a professional level cleaning job. The Rug Doctor is a little slower to soak up stains than other machines, but it provides a deep clean that dries quickly due to the design of its brush. The excellent brush design offers a wide cleaning area, and its side bristles can clean right up to the hard edges. This carpet comes with a range of features like the Super Boost Spray, which easily allows you to apply extra soap to tough and stubborn stains. The ability to remove the tool caddy and fold the handle down make it super easy to store. The water tank comes with a handle and can be detached from the machine for easy filling and decanting. Number 4. Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner Vacuum Small Red. It's ranked as the top cleaning for upholstery, carpets, and rugs. This is great in removing the deep stain. Its handheld wavering brush could allow you to clean carpets. With the technology incorporates suction with the capability of extracting stains. This features a broad wastewater lid that eases drying and rinsing. That's the most carpet-friendly with embedded wheels for easy mobility. Also, it has the capability of cleaning odors, pet stains, coffee spots, wine spills, making your office and home faultless. This carpet cleaner cleans stain spots and all the tints perfectly. It features carpet-friendly wheels and retractable handle for extra maneuverability. Number 5. BISSELLProHeat 2X Revolutionary Upright Carpet Cleaner. We saw brilliant results in our carpet cleaning test when using this machine. After a few passes, around 80% of the stains had been removed, meaning that those deep-set stains would need a little more work. Nonetheless, this model left the carpet just damp, rather than wet, and it also lifted the carpet pile too, making it look refreshed. We love the handheld upholstery attachment, which allows us to target the cleaning solution. And the attachment is also designed so you can get right into crevices and corners to thoroughly clean upholstery. This is another great all-rounder. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.